Total value versus lowest price. Why cheap quotes lose orders? Let me ask you a direct question. Do you believe that the lowest price always wins in export business? Many exporters think this way, but in reality, this is one of the biggest myths. Buyers do not choose the lowest price, they choose the best total value. Let me explain this simply. Step 1. What most exporters do. Most exporters focus on one thing, unit price. They try to reduce cost and say, my price is lower, I will win. But buyers are not thinking like that. They are not buying a product, they are buying a complete outcome. Step 2. What buyers actually calculate. Buyers think in terms of total cost, not unit cost. They ask, will the quality be consistent? Will delivery be on time? Will there be delays or rejections? Will communication be smooth? Because if something goes wrong, the loss is much bigger than price difference. Simple example, let's say supplier A $9 per unit, supplier B $10 per unit. Looks simple, but now consider supplier A delay in delivery, quality issues, poor communication. Supplier B on time delivery, consistent quality, clear communication. Now tell me which one is actually cheaper. Most buyers will choose supplier B because the total value is higher. Step 4. The hidden cost. Cheap price often comes with hidden costs. Rework, delays, stress, loss of reputation. Buyers want to avoid this, so they pay more for peace of mind. Step 5. What should you do? Stop competing only on price. Start communicating value. Show your process, your reliability, your experience, your understanding of application. When value is clear, price becomes less important. Final thought. Unit price is visible, but total value is what matters. So next time you lose an order, don't say, my price was lower. Ask, did I show enough value? Because in global markets, people don't buy cheap, they buy safe. Thank you for watching.